If you are having problems uploading your artwork to our stamp designer, here's a few tips that may help. Under the Image tab, make sure that you're uploading an accepted file format. If you try to upload a format that is not accepted by our designer, you will receive this message. We're sorry, but this file is not one of our accepted formats. Also, make sure that the required resolution of your image is at least 300 pixels per inch. If you try uploading an image that is a lower resolution, you will receive this message. The file uploaded has a resolution of 96 dpi. Please upload a file that is either 300 or 600 pixels per inch. If you do upload an image that is acceptable, it may crop the image, but it will still accept the image. We have cropped the white space from the edges of your image, but it still results in an acceptable image, and you just need to X out this box. And you can proceed with sizing it, positioning it, and applying it for an image that'll work for a stamp. These tips should help you get through your stamp design without any problems.